And guys, let me just tell you something. When you dig your heels in and you live where you love, I don't need drugs. I don't need alcohol. I'm not in pain. There's so much peace and joy and happiness. And I'm going to say, I think it was Charlotte Savoy with Keller Williams, who several years ago, I heard her say something on a podcast, and I want to say it was her that I got this from. And she said, somebody asked her about how do you find out what you love? How do you know what you love? Because sometimes you're searching or whatever. And she said, I write down or I pay attention to all of my pain and pleasure. And it was that moment that I said to myself, from now on, when I find myself in emotional pain, or, as sometimes it's physical, right? Doing something that I don't want to do, I'm going to pay really close attention to what's bringing me pain. And on the flip side of that, when I catch myself smiling, humming, singing, thinking positive thoughts, picturing growth, and what am I doing in that moment? What is it in that moment that's bringing me so much pleasure? Because somehow I need to get rid of this and I need to live in this. And I've been doing this now for the last 3 years, every minute, like every minute. What brings me pain? Sales. I hate it. I hate sales. I don't want to be on the phone doing sales. I don't want to do sales. Now, I don't mind marketing a teaching event that I'm doing. That's different. That's marketing. But I don't want to do sales. I don't want to be talking to you, telling you how great a product is or service is. I also don't want my income related to somebody else doing sales. I don't want my livelihood and taking care of my family to be reliant on somebody else doing a great job. I want to figure out, how do I make money without that as a requirement? I've done that now. I have figured that out. It's affiliate marketing. I create great content. I create videos, blogs, whatnot. People buy products that I teach or products that I use, and I don't have to sell anything, and I make a lot of money doing it. Perfection. That is the perfect job for me. Perfect business for me. Perfection. It's scalable. It's growable as long as I outsource. I don't have to hire anybody. That's miraculous for somebody like me, And I just think, man, it feels so good to just breathe